I'm David.
I'm Julie.
So now we're going to do our review of Jaipur. And this is part of our project where we do the top 100 family board games. Mm-hmm. We do how to play videos, playthroughs, and reviews.
Yep.
And Jaipur is, as of September.
That's right, it's September.
September of 2019. It's in the top 20 between 10 and 20 right now.
Nice.
So we'll see if it stays there. If you haven't had a chance, please check out the How to Play video, the playthrough, and we do a comparison video of comparing this edition with the previous edition.
Right.
All right, so let's take a look at the overview.
Okie dokie.
All right, so it's a family game, 2 players. It takes about 30 minutes, ages 12 and up. It's a card drafting, hand management set collection game, published by Space Cowboys, which is part of Asmodee. Asmodee has a lot of games.
Oh, yeah, I think you've told me that before.
So if you don't know how this works, Julie comes up with her list of reasons for why she doesn't like the game, and I also do that separately, and then we put it in. So she doesn't know what I'm going to say. I do know what she's going to say because I have to put it in.
Right.
So Julie will go first.
Okay.
So here we go.
All right, here we go. It is a very fun set collection game. The art and the pieces are very interesting. They're colorful. They seem to go perfectly. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but they work good with the game. I like that it's a fast game. Sometimes we can do it in 20 minutes. Really good 2-player game if you just want something quick and easy, just to do one more little thing before you go to bed. Good one to play. Best part of all, it's easy to learn. Very easy. What about you? What do you think?
Well, I was getting the picture-in-picture to put in the correct corner, so I wasn't even listening to you.
Oh, well, what else is new?
But no, I agree with all those. I
thought you weren't listening.
I'm reading it. That's why we have it there, because you got to hear things and see things. That's good. That's called a good presentation. Etiquette or best practices in teaching.
Well, you can't tell we're married or not, huh?
Yeah, it's okay. All right, so here are my reasons.
Okay.
All right, so yes, I agree. It's a fun 2-player. Why did I say action?
I don't know.
There's a reason why I said that.
I didn't say action.
I don't remember why I said that. Something triggered the reason why I said that. It'll come to me in a minute.
I'm sure it will.
But it is, we agree that it's quick to play, easy to learn.
Yep.
Now, it's a tense risk race factor, which means that, as I show here, here's a problem with moving the picture-in-picture.
Just take us off.
If you saw the playthrough, getting these chips before it gets lower in value is the tension and the risk, because if you hold on to cards too long, your sets, because you want to get the bonus chip. So I may be going for a bonus 5, but then Julie might turn in the 2 of the cards that are needed to take the 14, and here I was waiting to get the bonus 5 chip, and so she might have taken these 2 top 7 chips. Then I get what's left here, which isn't much, because even though I'm turning in 5, I only get the remaining 3. So really, I wasted a lot of time collecting 5 of them, and I got 23 points, but she got 14, but she got ahead probably.
No, you wouldn't have gotten that if you only turned in 3. You'd have gotten one of the 3 ones.
Okay. I said I was collecting 5.
Oh,
and
gotcha.
then you beat me to it, let's say, and turned in those 2 before me. And then here I have 5 cards, but I'm only going to get 3 chips.
Right.
But at least get the bonus 5 chip.
That's right.
Okay. So you may think, okay, well, yeah, I got 23 points. She got a 14. But what happened is, though, she is ahead of me on collecting additional cards, while I wasted my time collecting cards I didn't need.
Right.
So that's what's cool about the game.
Yeah.
Is that it's tense, taking a risk as to am I going to try to get more cards in a set, or do I play it sooner to get the better chips on top? That makes it great.
Yeah.
Now, for me, it's a neutral. I don't mind this much luck in the game. It's a card game. But you can get messed over by draws. And we've noticed that when you tend to go first, it tends to be an advantage. So if you go first,
That's true.
you'll probably win that first round.
Yeah.
Then the next person might win because they'll go first the second round.
Yep.
Meaning that the person who went first in the first round will go first in the last round and may end up winning. So we noticed a little bit of pattern that those who tend to go first tend to get the better selection of the 5 cards here.
And when you watch our playthrough, you'll see that's what happened. I went first the first round, then David went, and then I went the last round, and I ended up winning the game.
So, for instance, Julie might take this silver, which is worth more, and this comes up, and now I don't have as good of cards.
Right.
And it really matters when the diamonds come up, or as I call them, gems, the gold in the gold.
Those are the best ones.
So those are the best ones because, you know, when you watch the playthrough, they have better chips in the top stacks. In fact,
Did I mess that one up?
yeah, 60
oh,
is supposed
gosh,
to be on top.
you're
That's
right.
okay. It's all right. So back to that. Why did I say action?
I don't know.
Well, I guess it's because you're taking cool. I guess what I mean is that you're taking nice actions of drafting and selling. I guess that's what I meant by that.
Okay,
I
well,
like
that makes
I like
sense.
I should have said mechanics.
Oh, okay, there you go.
I remembered that. The card drafting and such makes it really cool.
There you go.
So look, we like playing this game.
Yes.
It's just that anecdotally, I'm sure somebody who's really good with statistics and mathematics can analyze, just like they've analyzed Monopoly and Risk. They know statistically what properties are better to own in Monopoly. They know that it's better to be on offense and roll 3 dice than it is to be on defense rolling 2 dice. There's a paper out there you can find, by the way, that discusses. Somebody did a statistical analysis of that. Somebody could do a statistical analysis, I'm sure,
On Jaipur?
on Jaipur to find out you're more likely to win if you go first more often.
I have a feeling you're right, because it seems like it's always been that way.
Yeah, but see, I don't mind you going first because this is, I have a little bit more of an advantage because I count cards better than Julie does.
Yeah.
So that kind of makes up for it. And if I was playing with a younger person, knowing, in my opinion, that if you go first you tend to win more, I'd let the younger person go first if I was playing with a 12-year-old or a 10-year-old.
Yeah.
I mean, even though it says that it's for what
Isn't
was
it
it
12?
12 and up, you could play this with an 8-year-old. No
Oh,
problem.
I would think so, yeah.
All right, so let's see how we rated it using the
Okay.
Board Game Geek 1 through 10 criteria.
I bet we're the same.
Yes, we are. We both said excellent. Very much enjoyed playing it, and that's gone up over time.
Yeah.
When we first got it, it would have been a 7, and we've probably played this 20 to 30 times now since we've
Has it
owned
been
it.
that many?
Yeah, I'd have to look it up
Wow.
on Board Game Geek how many times we played it.
I believe it.
But this is one of our go-to 2-player games, and if someone were to come to us, or let's put it this way, if we were to do our top 10 2-player games, or
This would be way up there.
this would probably make the list.
Oh, yeah.
It could. I'd have to think about it.
I think it would definitely
Yeah.
over some other ones.
But if it's not top 10, probably top 20 out of all the 2-player games that we own.
Yeah, I think so. I
So
agree.
that is Jaipur, the newer edition with the newer art and such.
Yes.
So if you like this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up.